Hello, this video contains footage kindly supplied to me by Corenpuzzle. Please check out his channel through the links in my description to see his properly edited videos where he talks about this amazing achievement and gives a lot more information about it. There is also footage of his previous attempts to make the world's first fully functional 22x22 Rubik's Cube. If you are wondering why the edges are so much bigger than the centres, this is because on a puzzle any larger than a 6x6, normal sized corners would overhang completely during turns, meaning that there is no way to attach them to the core. So unless you use some fancy method like magnets, you must either pillow the cube, make the edges and corners larger, or both. The puzzle reminds me of Matt Banner's Gigaminx. It has a similar look to it and the quality seems about the same. I know that some viewers will complain about the quality of these puzzles, but remember, people like Matt and Corenpuzzle are pushing the boundaries of what is possible on a relatively small budget. They do not have the facilities or money that a company like Moyu has, for example, who would pay thousands for injection moulded parts. To prove the 22x22 is fully functional, Corenpuzzle completed a checkerboard pattern which took 3 hours. This footage is obviously speeded up a lot, but I think you can see that it does indeed prove the puzzle works and breaks Oscar's record for the highest order Rubik's Cube ever. You can obviously see from this video that he had problems with parts as well as stickers. The parts are so small and so many that they can easily become misaligned and have to be pushed back into place. Several of the stickers appeared to be coming off. This is because the 3D printed material is rough and very hard to attach them to. Even with super glue, they tend to come off. Don't forget to check out Corenpuzzle's channel. Links are in my description.